Welcome back. Kenyans should embrace locally made products to strengthen the manufacturing sector and help sustain local jobs. These emerged in Mombasa during the launch of the Changamka Kenya Shopping Festival, a platform aimed at promoting high-quality locally made goods through discounts and exhibitions. Mombasa Governor Abdul Swamad Nasir has urged local businesses to take advantage of the festival to showcase their products.
And we are quite excited with this journey we've taken in making sure we celebrate the innovation that comes from our people, the people of Kenya, in how they make products, the manufacturing sector growth, and eventually how we create awareness of the unique products that are made here in Kenya and can also be exported in the rest of the world.
This approach ensures that the benefit of economic development are felt throughout the country, not just in major urban centers.
We now want to do this in a very, very directed approach by going through the labor market analysis and now, based on that, give an advisory to the young people that this is where you most likely will be able to get a job if you study, and the county government of Mombasa takes over